Hello, welcome to CapSim Capstone 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips, the details, step-by-step guide for round 2. This video series video for round 2, and you can check the other video for R&D, marketing, production. This video focus on HR and finance. I show you now for round 2. So we set decision for HR now, right? HR now. So we have decision here. The max we can use is 5,000 for recruitment and 80 hours, but in round 2 we use about 3,000, half the budget and half the time for training, and then increase each round so we can get the best workforce. And for the finance round, TQM maybe next round. For finance, we see the max stock is still here. We need the fund for investment in R&D and production expansion. So we use all the fund we can use that in the stock is still here. The max we can is still here, and we do not retire stock because we need some the budget now, so we can pay some small, very small dividend, right? And we use about 10,000 for short-term loans and 22,000 for long-term loans, right? And we can increase the account receivable rate to sell better. So that's the overview for finance. So we can save. We can check to have here that's from 25 to 60 is in safe amount of cash to avoid any emergency loan, to avoid any case of emergency loan. So you see the pro forma income statement. You see that we have very high sales here, 31% of contribution margin and good profit here. We can increase the net profit to 10, 15, 20 after each round. And we check with the last round's result, right? Last round's result, you see that we have increased nearly 90 million. That's very big increase, and also the profit will increase here, right? So that's an overview of all the decisions for round 2, HR, finance, and TQM. Remember, do not ever copy the number and paste into the game because the number may be different from game to game, from student to student, and each round depends on the previous round action of competitor. So I show you the overview of the strategy. You can learn and apply that for your game, right? Remember to check on the 10 winning tips here each round, 10 winning tips for each round, and then you can make sure you understand and win the game. So industry condition report important. Use the free Excel file you can download under this video for free Excel file to calculate R&D, sales forecast, production, schedule each round. Update R&D important. You do that each round. Add new product in round 1, 2, 3, and you can double the sale and profit and win on round 4 with top sale and top profit. Set the prices based on the competitor price and keep use the Excel file to keep track of that. Calculate the sales forecast based on the report of last round. Calculate the production. Add new capacity for needed product. Increase automation for needed product each round. And use the 3 sources of fund, right? If you follow that, you can get the top result of all rounds. The result of round 1. You can see the result of round 2 after a few seconds. And then remember, understanding the game is equally important as winning the game, right? Each round you need to know what decision to make, and what report to read, what part of the report to read, what parts are more important than the others. You win 50%. How to update the product, long-term strategy, how to set the prices, price of competitors, how to calculate the sales forecast, sell and keep low inventory, enough inventory. You win 80% of the game. How to set decision for production, how to set decision for HR, finance, TQM. Analyze the report, you win 99% of the game. If you want the personal support, you can stay here and check that. If you want personal support for 8 rounds to win the top result, if you want the note for decision of each round, Q&A anytime through WhatsApp, and see the video guide and explanation for all decision of each round, you send the email here, right? So check the result of round. So you can see the result of round 2, the top sale and top profit, and also the top stock price. In later round you can have much higher result when the new product started selling well. So if you have any questions, send the email to MBASIM. Send the email to MBASIM.faris@gmail.com, or get the free support for our 1 in round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.